To connect HUAWEI Watch Fit 5 Pro with Strava application, first of all open the HUAWEI Health on your phone, go to the Me in the right bottom corner. Now you have to go below for privacy management and here select data sharing and authorization. Then you have to click on the Strava. Here click to connect with the Strava. Now click to open, you will be redirected into your default browser. And what is important right now, that you have to connect to the same account that you are using here on your watch. So in my case, I'm gonna sign in with a Google account. I'm gonna just use the same account that I'm using here. Click to continue. Now we have to just go for authorize. Click just over here, wait for this a little bit, and as you can see, it looks like we are successfully connected, so our running, walking and cycling data will be synchronized to the Strava. What you have to do on your phone right now, just basically go for a Google Play Store and make sure that you have Strava on your phone with the latest version. So I'm gonna check how it looks for me. I don't even have it, so you have to just simply install it if you don't have. And of course you have to remember about synchronization, so that you have this features enabled: data sync management, sync personal info to cloud, sync fitness data to cloud, sync health data to cloud. You have to enable all of those switchers, and after this, when you just simply start using some workouts, after sometimes it's not gonna be like automatically moving to the Strava. You have to wait for this synchronized process, sometimes even a few hours. It's not working actually perfectly, but after this time you will get this date from your watch into your Strava.